Hey Samsung Galaxy station fan, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got some exciting news for all of you Samsung Galaxy M14 users out there. A brand new software update has already landed, and in this video I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about it. I will cover how to easily check if the software update is available for your device, the simple steps to download and install it, crucial precautions you absolutely need to take before hitting the update button, and finally, I will dive into the potential advantage and disadvantage of installing any software update. So, if you are curious about keeping your M14 running smoothly and getting the latest features, stick around. Okay, let's start with the basics. How do you actually check if the update is waiting for you? It's super simple. First, unlock your phone, swipe down from the notification area, and hit the gear button. Okay, now scroll down, tap software update, tap download and install. Okay, a software update is waiting in my phone. Now, all you have to do is tap the software update button, then download and install. Your phone will then start downloading the software update. Okay, now in my phone, a new software update is available, and you will see the information about it, including the version number, size, and what's included in the update. If your phone says your software is up to date, then you are currently running the latest version. Okay, so you have found the update. Now let's get it downloaded and installed. This is also a straightforward process, but pay attention to a couple of things. On the software update screen, you are now seeing a download button. Tap on it. The download process will begin. You will see a progress bar including how much time is left. If the update is large, mention that it's best to connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once the download is complete, you will usually see an install now button or a schedule install option. If you are ready to update immediately, tap the install now button. Then your phone will begin the installation process. It's crucial that you do not turn off or restart your phone during this time. This could potentially cause serious issues with your phone's software. The installation process might take a few minutes, and your phone will likely restart automatically once it's finished. Don't be alarmed if you see the Samsung logo for a bit longer than usual. That's perfectly normal during an update. Once your phone restarts, it might take a while for everything to settle down. Some apps might optimize in the background. Just be patient, and soon you will be running the latest software. Okay, before rush into the hitting install button, let's talk about some absolutely essential precautions you need to take for a smooth and worry-free update experience. Ignoring this can sometimes lead to data loss or other problems, so please pay close attention. First of all, back up your data. This is the most important step. Before any major software update, you should always create a backup of your important data, including your photos, videos, contacts, messages, and documents. You can do it in several ways, like Samsung Cloud, manual backup, or using third-party backup app. Then ensure your phone's battery is sufficiently charged. Ideally, your phone should have at least 50% battery, but 70% or higher is even better. If your phone battery is low, plug it into a charger and wait until it has enough charge before starting the update. Okay, and make sure your phone have enough storage space. The update file needs space to download and install. Check your phone's storage in the settings under the battery and device care or storage. Make sure if you have enough free space. Okay, I am checking. Yes, my phone has enough free space, 48%, so I am already free. Okay, before starting the installation, close all the apps running in the background, and then while your phone is updating, it's normal for it to get slightly warm. However, avoid using your phone intensely before the update and during the update, and obviously during the installation process. Don't play games or run demanding apps. Place your phone in a well ventilated area if possible. If your phone gets excessively hot, pause the update and let it cool down before resuming. Extreme heat during the update can potentially cause issues. Alright, so you have taken all the necessary steps. Now let's talk about why you should generally update your phone software. There are really some great benefits. Software update often bring new features, enhancement to existing features, and a more polished user experience. This could include things like new camera modes, improved multitasking capabilities, and redesigned interfaces. And security is a big one. Updates frequently include security patches that protect your phones from latest threats, vulnerabilities, and malware. So keeping your phone up to date is crucial for your digital safety. Software can sometimes have even bugs and glitches. Updates often address these issues, leading to a more stable and reliable performance of your phone. You might experience fewer crashes, smoother animations, and better overall responsiveness. Sometimes updates can include optimization that improve your phone's overall performance, making apps run faster and smoother. In some cases, this can also bring improvements to battery management. Okay, while updating is generally recommended, it is also important to be aware of potential downsides, although they are some becoming less common. Updates usually fix bugs, there's a small chance that a new update could introduce new unforeseen issues. This is why it's always a good idea to keep an eye on online forums, videos like this, and communities to see if other users are reporting any problem after updating. In some rare cases, a major software update designed for newer hardware might slightly impact the performance of older devices. However, the Samsung Galaxy M14 is a relatively recent phone, so it is less likely to be a significant cause. Updates sometimes can bring changes to the user interface that you might not immediately be fan of. Overall, once you install a software update, it's often difficult or impossible to go back to a previous version without technical expertise and potentially voiding your warranty. This is why taking precautions is super important. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to check for, download, and think about the latest software update for your Samsung Galaxy M14. Overall, updating your phone is generally a good idea to keep it secure, performant, and packed with the latest features. Remember to always back up all of your data and follow the precautions before you hit the update button. Have you received the update yet? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comments below.